He was a small YouTuber. Dreams were big. Views were small. Every night he checked analytics. Empty screen. No comments. No likes. His mother asked, "Why do you spend so much time on this?" He smiled and said, "One day, people will watch my story." But time passed. Nothing changed. Friends started jobs. Some left dreams. Some laughed at him. One night, he sat alone. Camera in front. Eyes tired. He recorded his last video. Slow voice. Broken heart. He said, "If you are watching this, thank you. I tried. I gave my time. I gave my dreams. I don't know if I will continue." He uploaded it. Turned off the phone. Next morning, his phone was ringing. Messages. Comments. Likes. Thousands of people shared his video. The title was simple. "Don't quit your dream." He opened YouTube. 50K views. He cried. Because sometimes, the world watches you. When you are ready to give up. Never stop. Your story may be one video away from changing your life.